Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, May the 28th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I've told you, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, we got a new prime minister. Yeah, a new prime minister. Dick Schoof is his name. All right. Enough with the politics. The first Sudoku with 3 stars. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. This one will be number 8609. 8609. Let me put this here. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only place level 2 should be down. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places level 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places level 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 in the first column, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. Can I count? No. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. How about? Let me see. Yeah. 8. How about? Need a 5 here. Well. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. These 2 boxes can be 9 because we have 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see, 9, need a 9 there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, and now 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. The only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Yeah. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. What is 7, 9, 4? No. Yeah. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Huh. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 8, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for 5 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes cannot fill this yet. Here the same numbers. 4 and a 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6, 7, 3. Then I need a 5 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. 1, 6, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 6, 3. 1, 6, 3. 1, 6, 3. 1, 6, 3. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left. Should be the 3. Alright. 3, 3. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. Let me see. I need 1 here. 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Ooh, 1-1, okay. Well, 6, 7, and a 9. 6, 7, and a 9. Need a 7 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Yeah, 2 missing. One of the missing number in the third column is number 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing yet. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5 in the third column. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair, the 4 and a 5. Alright, so need a 3 here. And I need 2 numbers left in this big square of almost 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Oh, made a mistake here. Wow. The 4 and the 5, we already have a 4 here. So this is not good. Not good. Let me delete this. 4 and a 5. Yeah. Overlooked this. So we have a 4 and a 5 here. We already have a 4 here. So this box should be a 5 and that box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3s are correct. So that box should be a 6 then. 6, 6. Need 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. Well, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6. Alright. And a 7 here. So, was not a mistake. Small error. 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers. 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here we have a 4, here we have a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this first row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 in the first row. 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 1 should be there. Then need a 9 here. And I need a 6 and a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level the 7 should be there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square forms the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 and the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. Only place level the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Faster than 30 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. Oh, 1 and a 6. Overlook this. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Overlook those 2 numbers. But we solve it again. I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.